So everyone, this is Billy. On this video, I really wanted to show you how to cook a pumpkin in the woods. As you can see guys, there is a hole. I made a hole inside the pumpkin. I remove all the seeds and all the stuff inside just to make sure, you know, there is less moisture inside. Otherwise, it won't be as much as good to eat. And after that, I put sugar, about half a cup of sugar. I put back the lid. And I shook very well the pumpkin just to make sure there is sugar everywhere inside. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in a hole in the dirt, put amber on the top around, and cover it for several hours, at least 3 hours. And after, will be very good. All right, let's do it. So, as you've seen, I put dirt on the top and I'm building a fire, this one on the top, because it's a fairly big pumpkin. Light it up, let it die, and let's wait 3 hours. Alright guys, it's ready. Still hot a bit, not too much, enough to put my hand above, but I need to be very careful, okay? I don't want to remove the skin. Now I got my glove from my sponsor, Princess Hoto. Here we go. Oh man, it is good. Woo. There we go. What a nice pumpkin. Let's have a look. It smells very good. Woo! So we'll cut it in half. It's very warm. Very good. All right. Okay guys, all done. Inside, oh man, I've got almost half a cup. Here we go. It's very hot. It's like a syrup. Sugar with pumpkin is great. Woo! Oh man, this is good. Well, that was Billy cooking a pumpkin, well, on fire. Well, I hope you enjoyed guys. As always, live your passion, live the adventure. See you very soon for another video. Take care guys, bye bye.